Hey traders, hope everyone is having a fantastic Tuesday. So end of the month update. I believe I did. Oh no, this is the end of the. This is the wrap up. Okay, what am I doing? Let's bring up my FX book. Let's get that unprepared. Gorgeous day today. So I've got the windows open, but it's a quieter time of the day. It's about midday, just past. So I'm just going to open up my FX book now. It's weird because it's a Tuesday and it's the first, but all right, let's do this here, and then we'll do a bit of chart analysis. So the month, I love this at the top here, how they're like, hey, this is how much money you could have made if you ran this bot. Thanks. I love how it changes all the time. All right, so it was a pretty flat month. Okay, so here we are. So April, and it was interesting because I did a few trades as well, as you can see, and yeah, what was good? That was a losing trade. The pound, Euro Swiss was, I think that was a winning trade. New Zealand was break even. No, I think Euro Swiss and New Zealand were both break even. Oh no, New Zealand wasn't. That was a nice winner. That was a short trade, and USDJPY was break even. So here's how we're sitting for 2018. So really strong January. February I think was just one trade. No, it wasn't. It was one losing trade and probably two break even trades. Okay, and then March. I've made a few trades. March was pretty active actually, and then April. And April was, not too bad, pretty flat. The Euro Swiss didn't break 1.20. New Zealand dollar was holding support as well in the low 70-cent range. So you take what you can get, and that's that really. I'm just trying to look at the Sharpe ratio, see if it can. That's the Sharpe ratio. I don't want all 66 though. Anyway, I'll work that out. I wonder if it's going to show me. It's not going to show me that because I actually ran this account. I'm starting a fresh one with AxiTrader today. I'm trying to load up the application form now. It's freaking out, but that's going to happen as well. There's going to be $1,000 account, a live account, and that will be linked to AxiSelect and Psyquation, I believe it's called. So that's happening. So that is the end of the month. So I'm around, what is that? That's 4-ish% or so. It's 4, 4.7, 2.7, 3.9. It's over 4. It's like 4.5. So that's not too bad for 4 months. I'll close that down. We'll do some chart analysis. So yeah, that is how April was. It was pretty up and down. And the thing is, you got to take away from it is you got to really be persistent. And it was I think the start was a break even, then a losing trade, then a break even trade, then a winning trade. So you've got to keep plugging away and don't get put down if something doesn't go your way. All right, so the pound is interesting. Just cycling through quickly here. USD yen. There's no real setup yet. I really don't take trades during the Asian session as well. USD yen's pretty interesting, but it's gone right where it's at. The 109.40 level is obviously some resistance. It's struggled to get through. Up the daily. So I mean, it's good. It's worth watching, especially that uptrend on the daily chart there. That's definitely grabbing my attention there. And the Euro Swiss as well currently is also pretty interesting. Currently, right now, it's sold as 50-50. It could go up, it could go down. You want to wait for the price action. That's what I'm going to be doing. USD CAD, not as good. And then the Euro, I'll bring up. It's interesting how the Euro is weakening like that. Aussie's also interesting as well. Anyway, that's about it, guys. So probably the USD yen and the Euro Swissy. I like the USD yen though as a potential buy trade. I'll bring that up and I'll just clarify. Well, it has been holding sideways for a while, which is not great to see, and it's just stagnant right now. So we'll see if it just continues fading away, or if there can be some bullish price action. When I'm referring to bullish price action, a candle like that printing around here would be good. So normally what happens is the London session, New York session is when there's going to be potential trade. So this video here is just giving a bit of an outline and a bit of perspective of the plan in a few hours on what I'll be looking for, which is very important, especially for trend trading and on the higher time frames. You got to really get in and check the 4-hour candles later on in the day, especially in this time zone, GMT +8 here in Perth. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.